the 5-ball multiplex pattern. This looks a little something like this. So this is very, very similar to the 5-ball, 3-ball pattern. The multiplex is the same. The only difference is, before, when we were doing the multiplex, both balls went from one hand to the other, like this. That was the previous multiplex pattern. And in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to throw the top ball to the other hand, and the bottom ball is going to stay in the same hand. You might actually find this easier than the other pattern. So what that's going to look like, 2 balls holding the exact same way as we did before. And even on this one, you may actually need to do a bit more of the flick with the finger to make sure that top ball goes across. And you don't need to flick the bottom ball anywhere really. So, gonna go here, top ball across, like that. And then try from the other hand as well, throwing up. So as you can see, just look at the bottom ball, all it's doing is just going like that. It's just going here. As I said, you may need to do a little flick with that top one. Remember I said to not do that in the previous pattern because both balls had to be traveling on the same path, but on this one, you may have to do it. Anyway, to put this into the 5-ball pattern, what we're going to do, we're going to start throwing that first ball individually, so just up, and then as it's coming down, you're going to throw these balls underneath. So you're going to go up, underneath, like that. So first ball up, underneath. So the bottom ball of the multiplex, let's put those two down. So throwing first one up, it's going here, and that's when I'm going to start throwing these. And that one's going to go across to the other side. That one is going to come and it's going to land on top of the ball, the first ball that we threw. Show you again, first one up, underneath, like this. And to keep that going, the next throw, as the top ball of the multiplex is coming down, the next throw is going to be the exact same as the first multiplex. So as that's coming down, I'm going to throw underneath and the pattern is going to repeat. So from this point, each throw will be a multiplex. Here, up, up, up. As the top one is coming down, you're going to throw underneath, like that. If you've nailed that multiplex, you can link it to the 5-ball cascade quite easily by, as the multiplex is coming down, you can simply start the first throw of the 5-ball cascade here. So instead of another multiplex, you're going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to do multiplexes, multiplexes, multiplexes. We're going to, instead of one of these multiplexes, we're going to go here. You can also use the multiplexes to come out of the 5-ball pattern. So collect 2 in one hand and 2 in the other. There. Collecting. Like this.